Model, 2006 Ford Transit 350 LWB 15-seater minibus, genuine low mileage, long MOT. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 57,994. MOT, the 23rd of March 2025. Engine, 2402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest minibus ready to go again. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.